Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2021 Volkswagen Jetta S. This particular one is pure white on the outside with Titan black cloth interior. It features LED running lights, LED headlights, LED reverse lights, LED tail lights, that nice bow line down the side, alloy wheels that are machine black and silver finish, that molded spoiler into the trunk lid there. Let's take a look inside. Now this is the base model of Jetta, and before we hop in here out of the wind, here's a look at the door panel here. It's a leatherette right here and then a metallic finish right up here. You do have one touch up, one touch down on the windows, and then power door locks as well, and heated mirrors. Arm pad right here is leatherette as well. It's a manually adjusted seat. This raises and lowers your seat right here in a pumping fashion. This is your seat back adjust right here. And to move the seat forward and back, you use that loop right there. Here's a look through. 5-seater with adjustable headrest in the back middle seat. And then the two front seats are adjustable headrest, or have adjustable headrest as well. And as we climb in here, this one does have a driver assistance package, so it's got blind spot monitoring, emergency assist, emergency autonomous braking, and then rear cross traffic alert as well. The vent setup goes across right here, across just like it did in the 2019. There's a vent over there, 2 vents below the radio here, and the radio's angled toward the driver. And then you have this vent over here as well. Automatic headlights, a telescoping steering wheel. You can pull out, push in, raise it, lower it, lock it where you need. Flat silver finish on the steering wheel as well here with the black, touch of black right here on the buttons. You have regular cruise control. You do also have, for your assist systems, there's your blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert, and front assist. Volume control for the stereo is over here on the left. Over here on the right is your song skip and preset skip. Trip odometer resets right here in the middle. And you still have this red kind of background on the tachometer and speedometer there. The digital cockpit or digital display in the middle right there, that center rectangular piece there where you can display your fuel economy, miles to empty, oil temperature, speed, and what have you right here. It's very nice. Most people are going to set it with the speed setting right there, and you just change that by arrowing up or down. Here's a look at the AM/FM radio. There's a backup camera right there. It is static, it doesn't move, but you have the green line, it signifies straight back. The red line signifies where your bumper is, and it's an HD camera. The radio is going to be AM and FM right here, and you do have a number of presets. So you got 15 presets for AM/FM radio there. You do also have App Connect, which allows you to do Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or MirrorLink using one of these 2 USB-C connections right here to your phone. So if you have an Android phone, you'll need a USB-C to USB-C cable, and if you have an Apple phone, you'll need USB-C to Lightning. The climate control is pretty simple here too. You got the 3 knobs. There's your temperature gauge right there, or temperature setting right there. I'm going to turn that to the warmer side. Here's your fan speed right here, and then your vent settings are right here on this knob. Rear defrost is right here, and the recirculated air, of course, is right here. The mirror is just a regular rear view mirror here with the little flip there. Up above here, you do have a vanity mirror on each side, but you do not have a light for that on either side. And you do have the light colored headliner here too. Here's a look at the seats. They're nice and comfortable. Cloth, 2-tone kind of setup here. There's one fabric here and then a different softer fabric on the bolster here. The shifters, just your normal shifter with your gears right here on the side. The e-brake, you just lift up one, activate there, and then you put your foot down on the brake and push down to release it. Your auto start stop shut off is right here. This car is equipped with that auto start stop system where you come to a red light or a stop sign, the engine will shut off if it's not needed, and then resume once you take your foot off the brake. The eco button for your drive mode is right here, so get your best fuel economy. This guy will get 40 mpgs. Here's your cup holders right here, and then a little storage bin right here. Armrest right here with more storage in there. Also, there's a little kickstand right here on that armrest, so you can raise the level of this guy right here. On the passenger seat over here, Manual setup as well. Over here on the side, there's no pump to raise or lower the seat. So you can't adjust the height of this one, but you can move it forward or back and then adjust the seat back with this guy right here. In the glove box right here, there's your manuals right there. Your tire warranties are there as well. Very nice. This car's put together very nice. Gets great gas mileage. Let's take a look at the back seat. And before we hop in the back seat here, this one comes in at $21,655. Extras on this one are going to include that driver assistance package for $500, which includes the front assist, the collision warning and autonomous emergency braking, blind spot and rear traffic alert, and then you also have monster mats for $275 and roadside assistance kit for $90, bringing you to that $21,655. Back here in the back seat, as I climb in here, I still have leg room back here. I have about 3.5, maybe 4 inches of knee space behind the seat, and I was just sitting in that seat up front. Here's a look through from the back to the front. Instrument cluster, center console, armrest and shifter right there. Now there are no vents right here in the back of this armrest here, but there are vents that come out at the floor. There's a look at my socks right there. They're not so fancy today. And then vents over here as well. Car seat hookups are here and also over here. There is no fold down armrest or cup holder in the Jetta S. You'll have to move up to an SE or an R line to get that fold down armrest, and then you'd of course move up to leatherette seating surfaces too. There's a look at the door right there. This seat's kind of leaned back here, but there's a look at the door panel there. Lots of room for bottles and storage there. Let's take a look at the trunk. These are the same alloy wheels that came on the Jetta S in 2019. However, they're just painted different. So they look completely different. They look much better, less like hubcaps and more like actual alloy wheels. Here's a look at the monster mats right here. Cargo blocks right here, roadside assistance kit, and cargo containment system right here. Down below, there is no spare tire in a Jetta S. So it comes with a pump back there and a can of Fix-A-Flat. There's your tow hook right there and your jack apparatus right there and your pull pin for the caps to cover the lug nuts. But you do have a nice big trunk here. Seat pulls here and here where you can fold those seats flat. I'll go ahead and pull that here and pull this one here so you can see with those seats folded down. And we'll come back around here. Now that seat will probably block the seat from folding flat because of where it's sitting. But you get an idea. Yep, it did. But there's an idea. Steel reinforcing plate right here in the back of that seat. And there's a look through to the trunk. We'll come back around. And here's a look through. So depending on where that seat is at, that will fold down perfectly, and you have a flat surface here. You can put a TV or something of that sort in here. So to fold these seats back up, they just lock back into this piece here. You just slam it back in place on both sides. There you go. And now we have our normal trunk back. Very nice. Little handhold here and a handhold here. So I can just slam that without touching the paint and getting road grime or anything on my hands or getting fingerprints on the paint. This car will come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. That's 4 years, 50,000 miles, and includes 2 years of free maintenance. So your 10 and 20,000-mile oil change are covered by Volkswagen. Also, if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's, I'm going to give you a 3rd year of free maintenance as well. So your 10, 20, and 30,000-mile oil changes are all covered. And if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's, remember you can fly in and drive out. I will give you a 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge as well. Free of charge. So if you're interested in this car or a car like this one, give me a call. 636-290-4257. 636-290-4257. I'm on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, even TikTok at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day.